Good morning, guys. I slept at my Somali family's place. Very nice. I actually ended up talking to my female cousins all night about all kinds of stuff. It was really nice. I haven't really spoken to those in depth. I enjoyed it. Talking about all kinds of important topics like family and even our world views. I've always been an atheist and I've always been very vocal about it, at least in the times that they've known me. And now with these more emerging spiritual world views that I have, it was interesting to talk to him about that. And just talking about how time is flying, and how my youngest three cousins used to be this short just last time I saw them, and now all of a sudden they're adults. It's kind of crazy. Right now I'm just walking to Tingbia. I mean, I could have taken the wheel, but you know me, it's important to stay active, to stay healthy. So yeah, I'm just walking to Tingbia, where I used to live. I took Dion here recently. Just a quick little bike ride. But yeah, I'm gonna go attempt to pick up the shoes. My custom Nike Airforce 1's. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to, because they were technically ordered for my cousin's name. Who knows? Maybe it's possible. Okay, 1 second. They completely changed Tingbia. Where I used to pick up packages, it doesn't exist anymore. I gotta go to Google Maps. 1 second. Oh, okay. I have to go back where I came from. They completely changed everything. There's like a big supermarket here now. This used to be where you pick up packages. Hey, I'm from a different time, man. The world's changed. Here we go. Package pickup. Let's get it. Let's fucking go, guys. Fresh customized kicks here. I can't wait to get home and get them on. I've been walking around in these things right here. And these are like 2 sizes too small, and they don't cover my ankle, which I really don't like for riding the electric unicycle. It's important to cover your ankles either with some kind of boot or, in this case, a high top sneaker. Because, oh my god, dude, you can really hurt your ankles on these things, especially in a crash. And now that I got my protective gear, this just feels like even more protective gear. I'm so happy. And also, they match all my clothes, All my clothes is either some kind of shade of brown or cream or beige or green. And that's exactly the kind of colors these shoes are. So happy. So fucking happy. Honestly, man, there's just almost nothing that feels better than these days where you get one step closer to your ideal setup. It's just great. I got basically everything I need by now. All the electrical components, shoes, electric unicycle, fast charger. I got a fishing rod. I got a tent. I got a sleeping mat. I got tools. I got all my clothes. I have a saw. I got all my cooking gear. Yeah, things are shaping up. I had no fucking misconception that I was gonna be able to get all of this stuff this quickly. Mostly thanks to Mike and Dion for helping me out. And I'm really thankful for that. Really thankful. I want to get some vaccines and stuff before I leave into the wider world. And for that I have to take care of a bunch of official shit. Actually, I gotta call some government place after this recording. When I get back into the apartment, I'll do that. I just gotta get my social security card, or like my health card, whatever you call it, so that I can actually utilize free healthcare and go get my eye operated. And because I got that bump on my eyelid, and also to get the vaccines. I know a lot of people are incredibly hesitant and skeptical of vaccines these days, but I mean, I've had vaccines since I was a kid. I didn't turn out a retard. I think I'll be fine. I just don't want hepatitis or any kind of other weird shit. Check it out. Oh my god, they look even better than I'd imagined. Nice. Let's go. Now I just gotta set up the laces. I set them up once and then I never do them or undo them again. Oh, they look great. So this is how the laces come. What I do is I always take them out of the first hole, this one right here, and then I take them out of the second hole, and then I put them through the other way. I put them through like this, whereas before they went in this side and then out of the hole here. But I want to tie them on the inside of the shoe. I'm gonna just tie them once in here, and then I never have to tie them again. I always set them up that way. But it takes a little while to set them up, to make sure that you tied the laces properly, that you tightened them properly and not too much. And then typically I end up cutting off the extra bits of lace when they're all perfect after a few days. Let's go. Oh my god, these are so nice. I still gotta cut off the ends of the laces, but I got them all set up now. Ah, they feel so good and so warm and so safe, you know, it's all leather. I'm happy. It's gonna be a great addition for this thing. And this is what I've always been wearing, basically my whole life, with the exception of the green shoes I borrowed, the Fila shoes I had before then, the white and blue ones, you know. And then I had one other pair of black shoes or sneakers that I used during winter one of the years here in Denmark, because I couldn't afford Airforces. But yeah, I always get them customized, Nike ID. It's basically the same price. There we go. They're all properly set up. I cut these extra parts off. And so now I just have this thing in here, and I can just take it off like so and put it back on like so. Every time. I don't have to ever tie them again. I've always set up my shoes this way. I've been trying to figure out what I need to do in order to get this fucking free healthcare card, or whatever you call it, the healthcare card. And the bureaucracy has gotten like tenfold worse than it used to be. Being homeless, man, it's like, it's a fucking bitch, man. There's fucking no help to be getting. Ugh, God, I'm losing it. Guys, don't for a minute believe all this propaganda you hear about, oh, Denmark's the best fucking country, oh, free healthcare, all this shit. Yeah, sure. Like, if you have an address and you're paying your taxes and you got a job and shit, dude, if you're homeless, they're just gonna put you in a fucking maze of different phone numbers you have to call, all of whom say, oh, this is the wrong place you called. You actually have to call this place instead. And you have to book a time in order to be able to speak to the people you need to. So now I got a time booked for the 18th. And I'm like 99% sure that they're just gonna bullshit around and be like, yeah, we can't actually help, we can't do anything for you. I have to go to the doctor, so if these people are unwilling to help me, I'm just gonna have to go out there and make some money. And, you know, regular tax paying people are gonna have to, they're gonna suffer, you know? Because if I can't get free healthcare, I'm just gonna have to pay for the surgery for my eye, pay for the vaccines. And yeah, I'm not gonna go collect bottles to get that money. Sorry, not sorry. Like, it's just, I wish they would just help me. I don't want for innocent people to be hurt by their inaction, but that's just the way it's gonna have to be. Because I'm getting my shit fixed. It's that simple. And if they're not, I mean, I have a right as a Danish citizen to free healthcare. I don't need an address. That's just some bullshit they tacked on there. There's no rule about that. Yeah, I'm gonna get this shit done, one way or another. Mark my fucking words. I just tried helping my female cousin fix the license plate light on the rear of her car, and oh my god, I don't understand how cars are built these days. Oh my god, it's so dumb. Like, you have to take half the car apart in order to get to these parts that you need to replace, and it's just stupid. Another reason I'm never gonna get a driver's license in a car. Stupid. I'm just in a foul fucking mood today. I'm gonna go buy something, I don't know. Some soda, maybe some candy, I don't know. I just need to cope. I'm not doing too good today. I went to the other end of Husum to check out my old favorite candy store. A new one has opened up much closer to where my family lives, but I wanted to support this one. I used to know the owner. I don't know if it's the same owner, but their selection is really brutal. They don't even have half of what they used to. They only got like 2 good types of candy, so fuck it. I'm just gonna support the big one close to where my family lives. Even mix it yourself candy has gotten so much more expensive than I'm used to. But I got some good stuff. Check it out. In the bottom there's a ton of my favorites. I'll show you. Alright guys, here we go. New shoes on my wheel. I'm heading back to Nyborg, to Dion right now. I was really stressed out today, man. I don't know what's with me. I always sit on this bench when I'm going back to Copenhagen. Or sorry, to Nyborg. I'm in Copenhagen Central Station. Just outside of the station building itself is just right behind me. I just want to smoke a cigarette. Not technically allowed to, but should be fine out here. My cousin gave me a few cigarettes before I left. Thank God for my cousin. I forgot to tell Dion to get onions, and Dion forgot to buy tomato or ketchup. I actually use ketchup as an ingredient in my tomato sauce. I know, blasphemy. Sue me, okay? It actually gives some acidic flavor to the whole thing. And of course, you know me, gotta have some soda. Yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up and cooking right away. Gonna talk to Stony in the meantime. But yeah, all of a sudden my aunt, she just flipped on me. She's just like, you can't stay here anymore. You can't sleep here again in the future. And I'm like, why? I guess she just kind of disagrees with how I want to live my life nomadically. And, you know, she did offer me to go to Somalia with her at one point. If I can't even sleep in her couch, I'm not going with her to a foreign country depending on her goodwill. So that's out the window. Oh, God. Okay, so dinner's ready. I got soda, Dion's got water, and we're about to watch My Neighbor Totoro. Of course, in original Japanese with English subtitles, hopefully. Hopefully we got the English subtitles here. Let's see. Let's go. I have not watched this since I was a little kid. It's gonna be good, man. Dion doesn't know it. sound is really great too. Every frame is a masterpiece. I'm eating some of my favorite candies right now. These things right here. I'm watching My Neighbor Totoro. I haven't seen this since I was a kid. I haven't seen it since the first time I saw it with my little siblings. It's kind of sad knowing that this will probably be the last time I see it unless I have kids myself. Well, that's it, guys. I have a feeling it's the last time I'm gonna see this one, sadly. Something about Studio Ghibli makes me think of my ex.